Hello, I'm back. This is Adam Shelton with some more cryptocurrency news and even analysis. And this news broke today, and I want to go over it and let's share and talk about this. This is really interesting and is bringing some news and attention more to cryptocurrency, especially, of course, Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and dive into this content. But if you haven't yet, like, comment, subscribe to this channel and to this video throughout this whole presentation. Now, let me go ahead and read this because this is very, very interesting. Famous rapper Kanye West says Bitcoiners have a perspective on the true liberation of America. Now, Bitcoin has been getting a lot of attention lately in the cryptocurrency news and around the world in terms of the digital currency asset, and along with other assets as well with Bitcoin. Now, somebody like Kanye West, who has been rumored has been investing to this type of asset, along with other celebrities and artists and actors and athletes, is very interesting because that's saying this is something to really, really do your research on. Now, this is what Kanye West claimed in the interview. West also claimed in the interview that the current trend is now towards cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin. To support his claim, he mentioned the plans of the chief executive officer of the social media platform Twitter and payment giant Square, Jack Dorsey, who had recently made an investment of $50 million in Bitcoin. The interview remained to continue for over 3 hours. Now, that was recently done, that Jack Dorsey has invested a lot of money in Bitcoin. And I always look at this, where you follow where the money is going, you do your research where the money is going. When that news broke out that giant Square investor, Twitter payment giant investor Jack Dorsey, who recently made a payment in there, that would grab my attention. I would instantly start doing my research and finding out what this actually mean. And then when I went over and started doing more research, this is what I also saw as well. Meanwhile, the largest cryptocurrency in the world by market capitalization, Bitcoin, has witnessed a significant increase in its price value as the coin surged as high as to reach $13,850 earlier today, while registering a new 2020 high for it. The price of Bitcoin BTC is still up over 3% in the last 24 hours, while standing at around 13,600 at the price time. Not only did that really increase, but XRP and ETH, which is Ethereum, has also increased as well in value. So now with XRP, Ethereum, and other ones, they seem to follow what Bitcoin is kind of doing. So the largest cryptocurrency in the world by market capitalization, Bitcoin, has been recently having a increase in terms of this month overall package. And it's really because attention, like Kanye West saying things and other people investing. And of course, what this interview was Twitter and payment giant Square, Jack Dorsey making a large investment. And then of course, earlier this month, you have PayPal has now established in a relationship with cryptocurrency with Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and I believe another one, Litecoin as well. So that's all that does is draws more attention to the cryptocurrency space. Now, I want to go ahead and show you what the market's looking like right now. You know, today is one of those days that it's been a pullback in terms of the overall cryptocurrency market, but that's where you do your research when the market is down. This is no financial advice, but you always do your research. When things are down, you need to be looking at things and analyzing what would be the next move for you. Now you see Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, they're down, but look at this. The 7-day moving average, it seemed like it's up to over 2%. So the last 7 days, you see what the Bitcoin did. Went up, it went down, and then what do you think is going to happen now? Usually if it comes up, it goes down, then down usually goes back up. So that's a little bit of where the market capitalization is right now, where the market cap is right now in terms of all these down here, down to Litecoin, all the way down to Cardano, Stellar, and some other ones as well. So this comes from Coin Market Cap. I look at this on a daily basis, where basically where the market's going and what the next move I need to make. Now, this news came out that I want to show you here, that this is a news that came from Stephen Bull Diop. I thought this is very interesting, and this is kind of part of XRP, and it's basically saying, let me go ahead and watch this. It's basically saying, it appears that large number of big banks were testing and playing with XRP. And look at all these banks here that's kind of testing and playing around with it. I'm telling you, large banks and other organizations are looking to digital asset to solve their own problems or to solve problems out there when it comes to cross-border payments, moving money around, and also creating another currency that's going to make it easier for Americans, or for not just Americans, for the world to be able to establish and use. And when I saw this here, I wanted to show you that, hey, you know, banks are really testing this out. They're testing XRP. I'm sure they're looking at some other ones as well. And they're not the only one looking. You know, as all these people are kind of looking to see what's the next big thing. So I just want to show you the fact that Kanye West is made an announcement about Bitcoiners. And then he talked about a little bit about, you know, about the chief executive officer, Jack Dorsey, invested in this. It's kind of, that was an interview that happened. And also you've seen the spike up in Bitcoin as well overall this month and this year, because you see 2020 new high for it. And then I saw, okay, let me look more research. Then I saw this XRP, which is the 4th largest market capitalization digital asset that we have in this world, is that banks are testing this out. So I'm starting to think here, okay, banks are testing the digital asset out. I need to start looking at it as well. So no financial advice. I just wanted to show you what's some news that got my attention based on the market capitalization, based on the pricing it is now. That lets me know something's about to happen. Something's about to happen within a short amount of time, or within a long amount of time. Well, actually with a short amount of time and also throughout the future. So let me go ahead and clear that up. So my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video here. And don't forget, guys, I do have a link underneath this video if you need to go ahead and learn how to invest in your first cryptocurrency. I do have information to create your free account and start purchasing your cryptocurrency as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and I'll see you on the next video.